currently recording, so it feels like an English muffin. That train had 4 engines.
Oh, yeah.
Work was 1 day a week.
Oh.
It is a rare car on the train.
At the back?
Yeah.
It's a bar car or something.
Dome car.
With a bar in it. The dance.
Guys.
Probably aren't even. Look at that little smart car asshole.
Why are
Another asshole here.
the traffic lights are blinking? They haven't restored them yet. The power keeps flickering, and they haven't restored them yet. They're still blinking red.
Cops in there. That they wouldn't run through it then.
They probably just need to be reset.
Yeah, trying to get in there, yeah.
Smush the
Mom said we drive
guardrail.
downtown, but
Smush the guardrail up.
The power line's down again. Oh,
That's wide open across there with the trees.
holy crap, look at this up here. Look at the guardrail. Holy crap. Oh, hydro line might be down. I don't think Woodstock got hit.
And they're busy.
no, but they go.
They're going all over the place. All over Ontario.
No.
Just their furniture.
Blew their couch right out their house.
This tree up here. This tree there. This tree here.
Look at this one.
Splintered it.
Holy, split it.
Holy.
It's like a new tree too.
Yeah,
Like not an old one.
Yeah,
It
it's
has
full of rock.
a good. Wow.
holy.
Yeah, and Ron's tree. A couple of them fell. Three of them fell. None on Ken's. Like you've gone downtown, Mom said we're downtown.
Ooh, that tree fell. All you can see is the branch. We should have went down like Bridge Street or something, but we were.
They wanted to go to
Yeah.
the. Yeah, it's about.
I'm not seeing any more visible damage. There's a few.
Not yet.
Probably not.
There's a tree
Oh.
there, knocked over.
There's a tree down right there.
Over there.
Any of these trees affected? No.
Branches leaning on the golf course.
Yeah, branches and branches. a great big huge tree down back there. Look at this one. And this one.
Already chopped those up.
Yeah, they chopped up that. Yeah.
Firewood.
Firewood.
Becoming long.
See a few branches and leaves on the road. These. Holy crap! Uprooted. Oh, look at this one.
Take that home. Look at that place.
Oh, a tree fell right on the roof.
On the roof of the house?
Yeah.
This one here, the doors blowing off it.
Back there too.
The doors are blowing.
Oh. Power line down. Oh yeah, look at that one.
About the new house.
And this one.
Rebuilt.
These ones. Some crazy damn. Oh, one down right there.
You let the
Cemetery that's down.
Campbell's
Debris.
too. Campbell's got a bunch of trees down by your friend's house.
Oof. Oh, the school has one down. Has a branch down. There's a branch.
Nothing going on at the school.
Remains of a snapped branch right there. You can see the bark. Oh, that one's hanging. Anything? Oh, a few baby branches down. Probably got pretty strong trees along here. There's some branches on the ground. Oh, look at that one. Fell right over. It's leaning against another tree. Tree versus tree at that point.
Beverly Ann Blue house.
What's that?
That blue pump. She used to work in the drugstore. That's right.
That tree.
Oh, she lived back by rail.
Oh, look at that one. Back there. Uprooted. A few trees down right there. Young ones. Babies. There's a few debris in the lake. And the power lines are still up. Branch. And there's a tree down, a few trees down. That one lost its top branch. Oh, debris. Someone's garbage fell over. Oh! Branch of the 40 sign.
Look at the wind tunnel of that building right now.
You can see the sign.
Yeah.
Is that big sign?
Oh, power line down. Oh, look at this. No power lines down or nothing, man. Yeah, I mean, there are a few branches hanging from the poles, but like that's literally all. I think there's a few trees down over there.
Don't see any trees.
There's nothing major.
Riley.
So nothing major. Huh. There are a few things major back. Oh, power line down again. Branch. Oh, big one.
And Mike got his branch, slanted branch from their house. That would be what, 60?
Wow. And that tree fell. No visible damage. There's another branch
Mine
down.
snapped.
Yeah.
60 something.
It snapped right on Betty's house. Oh, it's so hard to be the good person. I'm finding it hard anyway. Going on down here.
Some more down branches over there. Some down branches there as well. That tree's missing its top.
It's topless?
Barely
Don't look, don't look.
It doesn't have. It barely has any leaves anymore.
It's topless. Don't look at it.
The branches down.
If you want to die, won't die. Oh, sorry. See? Opening my mouth and in both my feet.
Oh, it blew off the tarp. Let's see what's happening in there.
Big hole, I think.
In there.
Oh.
Yeah. Did you blow that house down?
It might
Yeah,
have.
holding up with 2x4s too. Probably living in that shack. I mean, trailer.
I don't see anything down in the thing, in the cemetery. Cemetery's good looking.
I know my flowers stayed in this place.
There's literally nothing else down around here.
Surprised Angela's house is still standing. Jim built it.
Oh, branch. Wow, remaining damage. One. A branch.